Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. As you can see, in today's video I'll present you my multi-tool. I named this video Best Leatherman Multi-Tool because this is the tool that works best for me. Model is Sidekick. We shall talk about it just in a second, but first I want to talk about this sheet. It's very durable and very useful thing. I use this sheet for like 3 years. As you can see, it looks like a brand new. Now let's talk about this multi-tool. First, I'll show you 2 tools that you can access without opening multi-tool. That would be this blade very sharp and useful thing to have. This wood saw, it has a very aggressive teeth, as you can see. Also, a thing that I want to mention is that both of these tools have this lock to prevent any injuries. As you can see, main tool are these needle nose pliers. They are not too big, but they can do a lot of work. Also, you have a bolt cutters. Now I'll show you tools that are on this side. First, let's talk about this. This is a serrated blade, very aggressive. Can be used for various things. We have this file that has inch and centimeter for measuring. It's a very nice file. We have this can opener, and also we have this ring for attaching. I don't use it a lot, but it is on this multi-tool. Let's close these. On this side, we have this Phillips screwdriver and this flathead screwdriver that can also be used as a small chisel. I like this multi-tool a lot because it is a lightweight and you can use it as a part of your EDC. Also, thing that I would like to mention is this pocket clip that is very useful if you want to have this multi-tool in your pocket. Multi-tool can be a very useful tool in nature or in survival situation in city. Below in comments you can tell me your thoughts about this multi-tool or about multi-tool that you are using. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.